made in this part of the world, say between developing countries, are one on the issue of privacy and the other one on the issue of security. I think there are huge challenges. Currently, what I'm actually missing as a proponent of cyber law is the focus of political will to create more capacity building. That's one. Number two, I want countries in this part of the world, the developing countries who are going to hold center stage attention on the internet, to be far more focused in, number one, clarifying their vision and their strategy on how they want to deal with these issues. Unfortunately, if you look at developing countries across the world, it's normally one legislation relating to internet or computer systems or network. That one legislation is a jack of all trades legislation. It'll have invariably, it's like a typical Bollywood film. It has got different elements of different drama, of comedy, of action, and put together in one legislation. I think it's time that the countries need to realize that these are serious, significant issues which require detailed, serious deliberations, specific provisions, and more importantly, I believe provisions which can actually effectively implement it. This has to be supplemented by constant capacity building. Unfortunately, capacity building is one area that's lagging behind to a large extent. We need to ensure that the capacity building has to be given the right focus. And finally, I think at the end of the day, there's a need for updating. In the Indian culture, we have a concept when you go back to the Ganges, which is it's a national river of India. It's a very pious river. You go back to the Ganges after a lifetime, only to renew your energies, to dedicate yourself and your energies fresh. I think it's time that the countries in this part of the world need to renew their vision